Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make Instagram accounts private on app step by step. First, go to Instagram app on your phone. Here you are seeing the home screen. Tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner. Tap on the icon with three lines in the upper right. Then tap on the settings option. Tap on the privacy option. When you tap on the button marked with red and tap on the button of switch to private so that your accounts will be private. Thus, the process of making your Instagram private has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.